Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Visual Studio installation error. So I'm just going to share to you a very simple fix for this. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Windows Update. So we need to click this button to check for updates. We need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our operating system. And aside from that, this will not only check for updates but download and install the latest updates for our Windows, which is a very helpful fix. Now once you're updated, then try to install the Visual Studio again. Then for the next method, as if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like any of the Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then we can temporarily disable that because that might block or interrupt the installation process. So in your case, if you're using Avast, McAfee, click on the show hidden icons in the taskbar. So here, as you can see, I'm using the Malwarebytes. So you might be using any other third-party antivirus softwares. Just simply make a right click and select Quit Malwarebytes. Now, after you have disabled the third-party antivirus softwares, then try to install the Visual Studio again. And for the final method is we can run the System File Checker Scan, or known as the SFC Scan. So in the Windows search bar, you need to type in here CMD, which stands for Command Prompt. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Now here you need to type this command, SFC /scan now. It's SFC /scan now, hit enter. So this is the System File Checker Scan. This will scan for and repair system corrupt files, check for any integrity violations, and fix any system corrupted files. So this is a very helpful fix. Now what you can do while the process is going on is you should not close the window. You can just simply minimize but do not close it. And once this is 100% completed and is successful, just simply close out of here. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, then try to install the Visual Studio again or continue the process. Okay, so that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.